the licensing and per user cost is prohibitive, right? Like we go and we talk to a lot of customers that are like, how few accounts can I get away with using for my BI tool or my BI software? And then you have people sharing accounts, or you have people that have never logged in, or you're paying for some, high end, the most expensive account that can create their own reports and run all this sort of stuff. And nobody remembers how to log into it. Nobody remembers who's using it or who owns it. And so we come alongside and we want to provide, help, and they can't tell us who to talk to. They can't tell us, oh yeah, I think this person, Jim and Janet, share that account. You'll have to talk to them too, and they've never logged in. That we see that so much. And so having royalty-free solutions is often it's probably more appealing to the CTOs or CFOs out there in the world they want to be really good stewards of their company's money and not just, spending these monthly fees for nothing every month.
I try not to make exaggerative statements, but I'm not sure I've ever run across a company that is properly using those their BI tools. It's almost always the second statement out of their mouth after using, we use Power BI, or we use Cognos, or we use Tableau. The next thing out of their mouth is, I don't think we have it set up right. I don't think we're using it well. I don't think the right people are getting the information. So it really is kind of more of it's not just a tools, it's a people process. It's a truly implementing kind of process.